how to change video ratio size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on video. So after click on video, click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this crop icon. So after click on this crop icon, click on this third option. So after click on this ratio icon, you will select video ratio from here. So 1 by 1 and 4 by 3, 16 by 9, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 7 by 5. So after selecting, click on save and click on save. You will see your video ratio is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change video size and ratio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.